I made this video a few years ago testing out the Potane vacuum seal machine, and this is what my fridge looked like. So it's a lot of space taken up by packages and every other things, and I have no idea where the final result went from this clip, but I'm gonna show you how I did it. And this was the very first time I tried it, and my one suggestion is that make sure whatever food you're vacuuming is frozen, because if there's water, it's gonna leak into the seal. Okay, so on the top we have a few very easy instructions: vacuum and seal, seal only, vacuum only. And then on the side we have what type of food we have. So dry, moist, soft, or delicate. With it came a little cutting tool, and these two baggies. These are like never ending, so you have to cut it depending on what you're putting in, so you're putting in the right size. But I bought bags separately, which I'll show a little bit later. We also have this. It actually looks like a stick, but it comes apart, and that is a replacement for this. And then there's one on top too. And then in here we have a little holder, which where the sealing goes for the one that you have to suck out the air of the box, which I don't have, so I actually don't need this. The plug-in in you can find on the bottom right there. Just put it right back here. Alright, let's see what I can seal right now. To be honest, I don't have a lot of things to seal, but I do have few. So let's first start with this one. There's a lot of air in here that's just wasting space. So I'm gonna put this in a smaller bag. So here is one of the bags I got. This is a small, and then I have a medium, and then a large. So this is a 6x10, and there's 100 in it, and it already has sealed on the bottom. So I only need to seal the top. So see, the bottom is sealed already, and there's a little thing. So whenever you want to open it, there's easy opening to it. And we also have a place where we can write the name and the date when you put it in. So I'm going to put these mushrooms in here. Okay, that bag did not fit in there, so I'm going to get another one. 8x12. And I have a link down below for everything. That's so crazy that it didn't fit. That's fine. This is a 300-gram bag, so this will fit in the medium one. Okay, so this fit pretty well. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it right here. And I'm gonna take these out because it's annoying. I did not hear. There's a little click. Vacuum and seal. Oh wait, hold on. It didn't click. I have to hold it down on the side. This is getting hard. There's seal. There's a clicking on the side. Okay, it didn't seal. Let's try this one more time. Is this thing supposed to be out? I'm gonna put it right here. Hopefully this works. I didn't hear any click. Gotta push. There's a little button right here on both sides. Okay. All right, that worked. Hopefully it's not gonna take up too much space now. Okay, so here in the small bag I get one portion of shrimp, I put right here. And I don't hear the, oh. Okay, you gotta press it down like really hard. Let's see. Vacuum seal. It sealed very nicely, but there was a little bit of water because I think it started to like melt the shrimp. So the vacuum also sucked up some liquid, which prevented like a little, like tiny little piece of the sealing vacuum to completely seal. So a little bit of air did go back inside. A bag of raspberries. This is 12 ounce. Let's see if it fits into the small one. Okay, so the bag did fit. A little tight, but hopefully it will work. Right, like this. Like this. Okay. Okay. Click on the sides. All right. Looks good. I mean, I think it does take up some space, but at least not as much as if it had air in it. How about some sausage? This is the medium bag, so the sausages are pretty big for grilling. Okay. Okay, 2 clicks. Vacuum seal. Okay, ooh, it's tight. All right, nice. I have this frozen pork chops, boneless thin slice center cut pork chops. The box is wasting so much space, so why not put it in the medium? Not like this. Okay. Nice. So as you can see, this is definitely saving me space. That box was taking up 2 of this.